Hello my males and females, it is me, Julian, and as you can see, I am terribly sick. The reason why I have a napkin stuffed in my nose is to stop the mucus from coming down my nostrils. So, you're gonna see me with this napkin on my nose for the rest of the video, unless I decide to take it off, noticing that there's no mucus coming out of my nose. I also have a terrible sore throat. So, wait, what is that? Oh, that's great. That's great. A lot of noise going on. A lot of noise. I'm most likely not going to speak because I have a sore throat. It hurts when I speak. So, yeah. And then my throat thing.
Control to Nine-Tailed Fox. There's a gate in your sector.
Oh! Yeah, I'm not dealing with that right now. Are you serious? What is here? Is anything here? Fuck off.
Control to Nine-Tailed Fox. The Tesla gate in your sector is now idle. Proceed safely.
Oh.
Control to Nine-Tailed Fox. Tesla gate deactivated. You may now pass.
Huh? What is it SCP-106? Oh! Okay. Okay. What is this? How do you find that there? Poop? Poop? I'm gonna taste shit? Cup of poop. Yeah, I'm not drinking that. Huh.
Oh, thank God. Someone actually found me. I thought I was done for a moment there. I can get us both safely to the surface. Just find the control panel in there and open the chamber doors for me.
Control to 910 Fox. Is the gate disabled?
I really don't want this place alive, do you? You know there's no way a lone D-class like you will make it to the surface safely. Even if you did, they'd gun you down the moment you came across their reticles. I'll give you one more more chance here. Just open the chamber doors, and we'll forget about this little gas incident. Now, I think we got off on the wrong foot here. Really. To prove that I'm not up to no good, try that locked door over there. The code is 5731. 5731. Got it? You'll find all sorts of goodies in there, okay? Please,